Okay, the great day's come. I've worked really hard at this, I've enjoyed doing it, but now is the time to test it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the marble, and you can just see it here. I'm going to drop that into the funnel and see what happens. So here we go. Oh, it's dropped down onto here. I'm going to use my rack and pinion to move it across, and you can see the pinion here moving, the ball's rolling, the ball's rolling, the ball's rolling, the ball's rolling. I've got a problem. That hole there, the pinion here is in the way, so I know when I remake it, I'm going to have to change where that hole is. However, that doesn't stop me doing the test completely. That'll be fine. So what I'm going to do now is to actually drop the marble now onto here and see what happens. So here we go. Whoa! Oh, great! It's dropped into the paddle wheel. So now we're going to rotate the paddle wheel, and we can see that moving. And I'm moving that round. Oh, and now it's just got to here. So it can't go anywhere because this lever and that one has trapped the ball in there. So I'm just now going to pull up the pulley. Boom, 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 woohoo! And it drops out as I pull that up. So you can see that it works. I need to change this bit. I have reduced the number of runs. I added a paddle wheel or a water wheel here. A paddle wheel or a water wheel here. Because when I asked my mum, she said that would be fun. And I've done some adjustments down here. I think it might be worth just watching that again. Okay, so let's see. We know all the problems at the top, so I'm not going to start there. But I am going to start here. Here we go again. Off we go. Boom, boom, boom. Into the paddle wheel. Rotate the paddle wheel. You can see it drop down. It's now dropped into here. I'm now going to lift this with my pulley. I'm just going to check it drops into my bucket at the bottom. Hooray! So there's my little project done. And if you look on the PowerPoint that I've got for you, you will see how I have recorded the changes, and I would like you to do something similar for yourself. See you in a few minutes in lesson.